In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calendar with a URL in Google Calendar. This is really useful when someone shares a calendar link with you, like a team schedule, a school calendar, or any public calendar you want to follow. Once you add it, events from that calendar will automatically show up alongside your own, and they'll stay up to date without you having to do anything else. First, open Google Calendar in your web browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account. On the main calendar view, look over to the left-hand side of the screen, where you see your list of calendars. Just below Other Calendars, you'll notice a small plus icon. This is the control you use to add new calendars from different sources. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. When you click it, a small menu will appear with several options for adding calendars, like browsing calendars of interest, importing a file, or creating a new calendar from scratch. For this video, we're focusing on using a URL. From that menu, select the option labeled From URL. This tells Google Calendar that you want to subscribe to a calendar that's hosted somewhere else using a web address. When you click From URL, you'll be taken to a simple page or panel with a text field. In this field, you'll paste the calendar URL that was shared with you. This is usually an iCal or ICS link, and it often ends with something like .ics. Make sure you copy the entire link without extra spaces. If copying from an email or chat, it's a good idea to double check that nothing is missing from the beginning or the end of the URL. Once the URL is pasted into the box, Google Calendar will usually give you a button to add or subscribe. Click that, and after a moment, the new calendar should appear in your Other Calendars list on the left. The events from that calendar will start to display on your main calendar view, each in its own color, so you can tell them apart from your personal events. If you don't see it right away, try refreshing the page and confirm that the calendar is checked in the list so it's visible. From here, you can customize its color and visibility or temporarily hide it without removing it. And that's all you need to do to add a calendar with a URL in Google Calendar.